Well, I've just been using this brush in oil-based paint, and now I'm going to need to clean it out. So, what I'm going to need is some white spirit initially. So what I'm going to do first of all is pour some white spirit into this paint kettle and get the brush, move it around the white spirit, and then give it a little spin. Pour it into there, and do the same again. In there, douse it up and down, give it a little spin. So that's the white spirit finished with. Now onto the washing up liquid. Give it a squirt in there, massage it into the bristles, under the tap. And do this twice as well in the wash up liquid. Give it a shake. And that should be fine now. You must use though the washing up liquid after you've used the white spirit. If you don't, they will dry all hard and brittle. So, cleaning out a paintbrush.